All right, so I made this Facebook update about the highest paying online businesses you can start with less than 10,000. And after that, I noticed a lot of you indicated interest in learning more about what this whole thing is all about. So I'm just going to make this short video to explain what they are and how you can do them. This is Mr. Awesome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So let me give you highlights about these 5 different skills. Well, on our list, we have drop shipping, niche blogging, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and brain sales. So let's start off with drop shipping. Drop shipping is an order fulfillment method that does not require a business to keep products in stock. Instead, the store sells the product and passes the sales order to a third-party supplier who then ships the order to the customer. So, in a nutshell, dropshipping is basically you finding a good product and marketing them. Even though you don't have to have this product in stock, you don't need to keep these products with you. For example, probably you've seen most of the people that sell hairs online, most of the people that sell clothing. Some of them don't have these clothings to themselves. They don't have a store where they pack all these clothings. What they do is that they take pictures of these clothes from the real vendors who have them in their warehouses. You advertise them on the internet. So when people see these clothes and buy them from you, all right, you send across the real fee to this vendor, while the vendor sends the product to the customer. The interesting part of drop shipping is that you don't need to have the product in any store. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need to have an inventory of this product. All you need to do is get the best selling products. And one of the products that people are really patronizing now are products that fall under beauty and healthcare, especially all these hairs, fancy hair that women sell, body enhancing products, fertility products. Most of these things are selling more than you can imagine. So all you need to do is get a vendor who is selling, let's say for example, a vendor is selling a hair for 5,000, and that hair, it's really it has quality. And mind you, in order not to destroy your business before you get started, ensure you always find the vendors that their products really work and they sell what they preach. So let's say the vendor is selling for 5,000. All you need to do is you get this product, add your money to it. Let's say you add extra 5,000 to it and sell, for example. Okay, now you let whoever is buying it to know that they are going to take care of the shipping fee. The shipping fee is not going to be on you, so you add your extra fee to it. So when the person is purchasing, you let them know they are paying for the shipping. Okay, so when they pay you, you send 5k to the vendor, the real vendor that is selling this product. Send 5k to them and the shipping fee. It is their own duty to ship this product to the customers. All you need to do is to be fulfilling orders. That is what dropshipping is. You fulfill orders. People make order, you get them fulfilled and ensure the product are being sent to them from the vendor. Your business is done. The extra money left on top is what your profit is. That is exactly what dropshipping is all about. I hope you make money from it. The second on my list is niche blogging. Niche blogging is the act of creating a blog with the intent of using it to market to a particular niche market. Niche blogs may appeal to geographical areas, a specialty industry, ethnic or age group. Okay, so I believe you must have heard a lot about other types of blogging that people get involved with. What makes niche blogging unique is that you focus on serving a particular kind of niche. The most popular kind of blogs out there are news blogs and gossip blogs and all of that. But when you focus on niche blogging, you get to choose the exact topic you want to talk about. It could be about technology, you could be blogging about health, you could be blogging about relationships, but I won't advise that. Relationships, I don't think a lot of people still read up stuff online these days. They could, but I don't know. So you could be blogging about the new trends in GSMs, laptops, cars, and then you could also be blogging about scholarships, business grants opportunities, You must have heard about wakandaopportunities.com, opportunity desk, scholarshipnow.com, and all of those kind of blogs that inform people about opportunities they can get involved with. These are just niches, okay? So focusing on a niche actually helps you grow a particular kind of audience that always come to your blog to read up stuffs. That is one good thing about niche blogging. And while you run your niche blog, you could actually choose to monetize your blog in so many different ways. Monetizing it the way you make money through your blog, and you can do that in so many different ways. One of the most one of the popular ways to monetize your blog is to use Google AdSense on your blog or popular ads. Just start running ads on your blog. That is how you monetize your blog. So because you started speaking the language a lot of people want to listen to, people are going to come to read from your blog, and that is how your niche blog can start making money from you. Another way to monetize your niche blog is including affiliate marketing to your blog. So if you're someone who talks about beauty on your blog, or you talk about health, you can start selling product of some health companies on your blog. So when you talk about a particular health issues a particular health issue or a beauty product, you can go ahead and recommend products that work for that particular thing. So let's say you talk about hair growth or pimples, beauty, and all of those things. You could go ahead to recommend a product from any good company you know, or any hospital you know. That's if you're in health, any health product, you can recommend them on your blog, so people that read from you can go ahead and buy these products to use. That is one thing that makes niche blogging unique, because it is quite easier to trust someone who has recommended or educated you about a topic. It is easier to trust them to also recommend a product that will work. So if you constantly write on health, apart from your AdSense money and propeller ads money that you earn for displaying adverts on your platform, you could include affiliate marketing, like I said before. Add it to whatever you're doing. Let the people who read from your blog that have the issues you talked about, even if it's a scholarship blog you're writing about, you write about scholarship, you can go ahead and become an affiliate for a company that works on visa, student visa, study visa, and all of those things. Just get something related to make your blog pay you outside the advert thing you're running. And that brings us to the third item on the list: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means selling or advertising someone else's product and being paid a commission when a client pays for the product. And I know you must be wondering what are the differences between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. I'm going to clear that air because a lot of people have that misconception. Now, in dropshipping, okay, you set the price. In affiliate marketing, you don't. In dropshipping, if the price is 10,000, it is your duty to make it 15 and take the extra 5,000 on top of it. But in affiliate marketing, if it's 10,000, you're selling it for 10,000. Then whichever commission you've agreed with the company or the person selling the product, it could be 20% commission, it could be 30, it could be 40, it could be 50. So depending on what you have agreed or what their terms and conditions include, that is when you know how much you're earning from it. But for dropshipping, you put how much you want to make from it, provided that it is sellable at that rate. You name your price, and then in dropshipping also, you take out your money yourself. Meanwhile, in affiliate marketing, you're paid your commission. Okay, the order has to be fulfilled and delivered. Then the real vendor can now pay you for selling through your link or through your platform. So that is just, those are the basic differences between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Ladies and gentlemen, and that brings us to the fourth item on our list: e-commerce, the popular e-commerce. The term e-commerce refers to the business model that allows companies and individuals to buy and sell goods and services over the internet. That is exactly what e-commerce is: buying and selling things on the internet. So in a nutshell, you won't be wrong to say affiliate marketing and dropshipping are all under e-commerce. And hey, stop thinking and listen to me. I know you're thinking, why did they separate them? Why not just call everything e-commerce? Why are you saying dropshipping and why are you saying affiliate marketing? Anyway, you've known what dropshipping is, you've known what affiliate marketing is. The baba of them all is e-commerce. It's not as if e-commerce sells better. What am I even saying? They are the same thing, bro. All right, so e-commerce could just be you having things you want to sell in your house. You're advertising them on your Facebook page, you're advertising them on an Instagram, you're advertising them on a website. You could create an e-commerce website that looks like Jumia. Jumia is a very good example of an e-commerce. So you could create an e-commerce store as a Facebook page. It could be an Instagram page where you advertise a particular kind of product you sell. It is you that sell these ones now. It is your product. You understand? You could also be someone else's product, but the act of selling it online is what e-commerce is all about. So you can import products. I know you've heard about people that import from China. You can actually import product and sell. Yes, because for people who are into mini importation, you might not have enough money to rent a physical shop in a busy market where you get to sell your products. The best shot you have is the internet. Utilize your Facebook pages, your Instagram page, your Twitter. Post pictures, post those shoes, post those top, post that pants, post that bra, sell it. That is what e-commerce is. Leave the big English. You might not be able to even create a website, or if you can afford it, get it, it's not even expensive. Get someone to create a website for you and link it to Paystack as your payment platform. Paystack even offers you an e-commerce platform. Yes, what am I even saying? Go to paystack.com now. Create an account, especially if you have a registered business name. Paystack can actually offer you an e-commerce storefront where you get to advertise all your products, put the prices, people click on it like they are buying on Jumia, and they pay you. So if you're into mini importation, getting into e-commerce now could be a surefire sales strategy for you, where people just get onto the internet, buy from you, and you catch out and give me my tithe. Very important. And I forgot to add, my tithe is 20%. I don't do all those 10% something. You give me 20% tithe, can you relate to good body? Otago. Alright, don't mind me, guys. I enjoy speaking my language, my dialect. So e-commerce is huge. E-commerce is huge. Look for someone who can direct you on how to do mini importation. You can even start buying products from Onisha. You can start buying anywhere you can get them cheap. Use Paystack. Paystack has a lot for you to sell your products. Paystack is equipped to help you run your e-commerce. With Paystack, you don't even need to build a website again. Like, I just remembered it, and I'm glad I'm telling you about it. Use Paystack for your e-commerce store. You can see where you set your prices, and people pay. It comes directly to your bank. These people don't know what I'm talking about. It comes directly to your bank account. And already there is no issue with it. Okay? So guys, make me proud with what you've learned while we move on to the next one. Brain cells. What is brain cells? Also known as information marketing. This is simply learning and mastering a skill, practicing it and getting results, and then selling this skill to people for money. In information marketing, you literally sell your brain for money. This is where the biggest money I've made on the internet, apart from crypto trading, which is out of this world. But the biggest money I've made on the internet is information marketing, brain cells. Guys, this is huge. When I said brain cells, a lot of people would think, is he asking us to go and sell our brain? No, do you have a brain to sell? That's not what I'm saying. Can you do such on yourself? That is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about selling what you know. Selling what is in your brain. What skill do you have? Can you do copywriting? Can you do graphic designing? Are you a good affiliate marketer? Are you good at crypto trading? Guys, sell your brain. Sell what you know. People are willing to pay. People have money to pay for these things. Like, you won't believe it. You could even teach people how to sell the way I sell on the internet. If I organize a class and tell people, okay, I'm going to teach you how to sell on the internet, people are going to pay. People have money. People are willing to pay for what you know. So you don't just have knowledge and you heard it. That is what I call brain cells. The English name for it is information marketing. You cannot have knowledge and you're hungry. It's abnormal. You know how to sell on the internet. You know how to do blogging. You know how to trade cryptocurrencies. Man, create a course and sell. Sell to people. People are willing to pay. Many of the people cashing out on the internet today is from brain cells. Like, people are selling their brain, literally.
People are selling what they know to you and you are paying. So why don't you learn a skill and sell? I don't know. Within before I made this video today, someone, my very good friend, not really my very good friend, but we are friends on Facebook. This guy sold 1,000 plus spaces for an online class to over 1,000 people for 4,000 naira each. That is 4 point something million naira within how many days, guys? Sell your brain because there is money in it.